Hey, I want to talk about something that happened just the other night. I was at a networking event and it was just for human resources professionals. So we all kind of feel the same way about our industry and our work, and we can collaborate with each other and really understand because we're in this together. And I was having a conversation with a recruiter talking about my company culture board game and how it's a communication tool that is designed to get people talking with each other and creating goals for the organization, goals that will help increase the health of the organization's culture and therefore drastically reduce turnover and other problems. And this recruiter said to me, well, your game is going to put me out of a job. Now that just kind of stunned me. That really caught me off guard. And we got interrupted by somebody, so we couldn't finish the conversation. But I thought about it a lot that night, and I had some thoughts that I wanted to share with you. And they are this, that recruiters hire for growth, not just for replacement. That's what it should be. Of course, you're recruiting when somebody leaves, they might retire, they might move away, find another opportunity, any number of things. But the recruiter's job really should be more than just replacing people. It should be hiring for the growth of the organization. I also think that a really strong culture is going to make you, as a recruiter, look good. If you're hiring the right people that are a cultural fit, and I don't mean cookie cutter all the same, but people who really fit the theme of your organization, the personality of your organization, then the organization is going to look good and be a healthier organization for it. And that leads me to the third thing, which is that a really healthy culture is going to bring in more candidates because haven't you ever heard of a really great company and you think, well, I would like to work for a company like that? Or you've talked to a friend that says, I love who I work for. I'm really happy there. That's what I'm talking about. You want to have a really good culture so that you attract people. And if you retain people, that will prevent you from having what is called fire drill recruiting, where you've dropped off in your employee census and now you have to fill positions with basically anybody who can fog up a mirror. That's like a recruiter's worst nightmare. You don't want to do that. So, always having an influx of great candidates is the ideal situation to be in. And lastly, I'm thinking for this recruiter and all others that feel that way, if just filling positions is all you feel your job is, that's not really a great business model. How are you representing your organization? How are you a part of the personality of that organization, making it a fun, thriving company, regardless of what kind of services you do, that makes your clients come back time and time again and make it so that your employees don't want to leave? That's all part of what being a great recruiter is all about. So that's something to think about. What is your job really doing in terms of the business model for your organization? Thanks a lot for listening to this, and I look forward to seeing you next time.